The Flying Friends Adventure. Hello kids. Look up in the sky. Who is flying there? Yes. Beautiful birds. Are you ready to meet 20 flying friends today? Flap your wings and say, "Let's fly." Morning in Birdland. One sunny morning, the trees were full of chirping sounds. All the birds were excited because today, they wanted to meet you. One crow. Caw, caw. This is a crow. Crow is very smart. Can you say caw caw? 2. Parrot. Hello. Hello. It's a parrot. Parrot can talk. Say hello like a parrot. 3. Sparrow. Chirp. Chirp. This is a sparrow. Small and cute. Clap for the sparrow. 4. Peacock. Wow. So colorful. This is a peacock. It dances in the rain. Can you dance like a peacock? 5. Pigeon. Coo. Coo. Here comes a pigeon. Pigeon flies in the city. Wave hello to the pigeon. 6. Heron. Look near the water. This is a heron. It has long legs. Stand on one leg like a heron. 7. Swan. So white and graceful sparkles. This is a swan. Swan swims in water. Pretend to swim. 8. House sparrow. Chirp. Chirp. This is a house sparrow. It lives near our homes. Say hello, little sparrow. 9. Owl. Who? Who? This is an owl. Owl stays awake at night. Open your big owl eyes. 10. Hawk. Look high in the sky. This is a hawk. Hawk has sharp eyes. Point to your eyes. 11. Parakeet. Tweet. Tweet. This is a parakeet. Very colorful and friendly. Smile like a parakeet. 12. Falcon. Zoom. It's a falcon. Falcon flies very fast. Move your hands fast. 13. Flamingo. Pink and pretty. This is a flamingo. It stands on one leg. Can you try? 14. Duck. Quack. Quack. Duck. This is a duck. Duck swims in water. Say quack quack. 15. Myna. Hello friend. This is a myna. Myna makes sweet sounds. Clap for myna. 16. Eagle. Big and powerful. This is an eagle. Eagle flies very high. Stretch your arms wide. 17. Nightingale. Listen to the song. This is a nightingale. It sings beautifully. Let's hum softly. 18. Peahen. This is a peahen. She is the peacock's friend. Say hello, peahen. 19. Crane. Tall and elegant sparkles. This is a crane. Crane walks slowly. Walk slowly with me. 20. Kingfisher. Splash. This is a kingfisher. It catches fish. Clap for the kingfisher. All the birds flew together happily. They teach us to love birds, protect trees, and keep nature clean. Did you enjoy learning bird names? Like the video. Subscribe to our channel. Comment your favorite bird below. See you in the next fun learning video. Bye-bye.